Good day, people. I'm in the set of Hot Fuzz. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go see that film. It's brilliant. Beautiful architecture and castle-y type stuff. I think this will be Steph's favourite shop. Lost and retour. And a car. That was the car. Lots of sheep over there. Lots of sheep. We're chasing them. We're chasing them.
It's like Twister but for sparrows.
Come
on, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, look at it.
Whoa, there's so many.
It looks like there's a couple of groups that gather. Here they come. Wow. They look like huge.
They're putting on a performance for us.
Including
Look at
David
that.
Attenborough, the BBC.
Look at that.
Wow. That's amazing.
Hi, David Attenborough.
Hi, I'm David Attenborough, and we're on the Somerset moors, and we are experiencing a phenomenal scene of Britain's very popular starling bird, and we are.
That was brilliant. That was brilliant. Oh my god, that is insane! Fucking hell! We got. And I also bought a couple of things in Street. My dad's putting up a vlog of Street, so go see more information on his vlogs. And I got a non-stick Tefal pot to go with the other ones. Good rubber handles. I love rubber handles, so if you've got your own place, perfect. I love these. And when you move out, make sure you get pots with good handles. Plastic, metal, you can't grip them. And this is silicone, which you can put in the oven, he says, which is cool. And a new pan as well. I needed to get a new pan because the other ones died. This is the old one, and non-stick does not apply anymore. Look at that, get into the macro. It was nice and it lasted a while, but a year? And the other ones say guaranteed to 10 years. Not bad. And those who are using non-stick, use rubber or silicone spoons, because it makes sure you don't get any scratches, because you scratch your pots. Yeah. Metal ones, iron ones, not a problem. Non-stick, yeah. If you don't, get your wooden, rubber ones right. Silicone, rubber. Oh. And I know some of you are now feeling really good with the tips. I'm gonna hopefully next video, I'm gonna, for anybody comments who's actually doing the tips, I'm gonna put you up on screen, because yeah, I want to promote tips more. And hopefully I'm thinking of doing a group or page on Facebook. Maybe we'll see how it goes. Nice, perfect.